Happn app review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Dating apps can feel like a gamble. You download one hoping for real connections, but suddenly every swipe seems to cost money. That's why today, we're breaking down Happn, what you get for free, and whether the paid upgrades are actually worth it. Happn is a location-based dating app that shows you people you've crossed paths with in real life. The hook is simple but powerful. You're matched with people who are already close to you, maybe at the cafe you love or the subway you take every morning. Most people assume all dating apps work the same, but here's the surprising truth. Happn's pricing changes the way you interact. Let's start with the free plan. You can create a profile, see who you crossed paths with, and send likes. If they like you back, you can chat completely free. You also get a limited number of charms, which are like a stronger signal to grab someone's attention. But those run out fast. Now, the paid subscriptions. Happn Premium unlocks unlimited likes, detailed filters based on interests and lifestyle, and the ability to see who already liked you before you match. That removes a lot of guessing and waiting around. It also hides ads and lets you rewind if you accidentally skipped someone interesting. For users who want results fast, that ability alone can feel like a big upgrade. There are also coin packages, a pay-as-you-go option to buy more charms or boosts. Convenient, but they can get pricey if you lean on them often. So, what do you really get for your money? Happn's free version works if you're patient and live in a busy area. But if you want work control, or visibility, and faster connection opportunities, Premium makes the app far smoother and more rewarding. In the end, the best plan depends on how actively you're searching and how fast you want new matches. Try the free version first, learn the rhythm, and upgrade only if you feel your connection slowing down. Love might be closer than you think, literally.